What's the meaning of bordelaise? Bordelaise. Bordelaise.
Bordelaise. Bordelaise. The term bordelaise typically refers to a French culinary sauce made with red wine, bone marrow, onions, and garlic. The resulting sauce is rich, savory, and slightly sweet, with a deep flavor profile that complements meats such as beef, lamb, and venison. The sauce is often served over grilled or roasted meats and can also be used as a base for other dishes. Overall, the bordelaise sauce is a classic French sauce that adds depth and richness to a variety of meat dishes.